Saludos y salud clase. Este es el tutorial 8, prueba. Empezamos con Padre, Hijo, Espíritu Santo. Amén. Padre, Hijo, Espíritu Santo. Amén. Muy bien, en esta agenda tutorial 8 tenemos dos cosas. Uno, anuncios y dos, tarea. Y igual prueba. Anuncio número 1 es don't forget we are testing, probando. And that means that your prueba, your practice prueba is due today. So make sure if you haven't completed, you do. Well, why? Because your practice prueba is the way we are testing, probando, how we are in terms of being good or bad, easy, hard, difícil, fácil, on how we test remotely. So remember, this is all a big challenge, a big test, trial and error between you and me. Okay, so please have that in mind. More announcements. More than anything, a question. The question is, should we meet live next week? Think about it and answer the question as a quick survey. Answer the question. Okay, question is here or there, remember. Okay, or there. Otro anuncio. Todo termina, ¿verdad? Everything ends, right? Well, yes, everything ends at some point, and we are going to start trying to help this wrap up. And by this I mean this class, this semester. So next week you will receive some new material about this unit on the past tense, some irregular verbs, irregular actions that people do in the past. Alongside that new information, you will start preparing for your final end of semester task. Okay, it will be broken up in two things. One will be very similar to the practice prueba. The second one will be a quick bio / conversation that you will have through Flipgrid. Those two wrap up end of semester tasks will start next week, and they will go all the way to your last day of class, which is May 17th. So we are starting to wrap up our Español 2 semestre starting next week. Okay, muy bien. That's it for announcements. Now let's go over to our tarea, which is mainly our prueba. Okay, this is prueba, meaning assessment, a formal one. So just like every session, please make sure you refer to on campus and the assigned due dates and assigned due times. Okay, remember, we have a puzzle assignment. That's your classwork. A puzzle. Watch this video hopefully first. Second, we're gonna bring feedback back into your lives, and yes, it's important because you have taken a practice test, practice prueba. You're about to take a prueba, and I need your feedback to see how well we're doing and how else we need to adapt. So feedback is back, Microsoft Teams, it's important. And last but not least is your main assignment for today, and that is your prueba, your own campus prueba. Yes, it's right there, you take it here. And this prueba is different. It's different because of its assigned dates and times. This prueba is assigned on the day of this session, but it only starts at 3:30 p.m. Okay, it does not start right now. It starts at 3:30 p.m. So do not panic if you are looking for the prueba right after watching this video during class in the morning, because it will not be there until 3:30. Okay, so it's one difference, one important difference. The other difference is this prueba, okay, is due not on the day we have our next session, like today, next class. No, it is due the day before next session by 11:59 p.m. So please pay very, very close attention to the due dates and times given to you on campus. And do remember, this on-campus prueba is time 60 minutes, one sitting. Okay, cannot save it for later. You cannot work anything past 60 minutes. I'm sure you'll finish before that. Let's hope. Please make sure you spend some time on this. It's your only assignment. Okay, very good. If you have questions, just remember, Edpuzzle is a good way to ask the questions. Email is a good way to ask the questions, and Microsoft Teams is a good way to ask questions. Lastly, and to say goodbye, so one more time. Probando, probando. Should we meet live next time? What about Zoom? Microsoft Teams? Piénsalo, think about it. 2, your pruebas. We are going to do a Edpuzzle review on these 2 pruebas you're taking, the practice prueba and your prueba, so you can see the answers to the questions. We'll see that together on next session's Edpuzzle. Okay, and also finally remember, todo termina, it all ends, and we're gonna start wrapping things up next week. We'll start with your final task next week and the final new items you guys are going to be working on. Okay, so just go back into the video if you don't remember how this will work, but just know, just hang in there, be patient, sé paciente, todo termina, ¿verdad? Everything ends. Okay, adiós.